What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This way I give you guys the hottest and newest potential gems in the crypto space, from altcoins to meme coins, you name it. We're checking it out on the channel. Caspians, I'm back with another video. Thank you guys so much for the continued support. In this video, we're gonna get into some, price predictions for Kaspa, some great threads or posts that I saw, where some price action, some TA that I found as well. That is super interesting and very exciting for the future at Kaspa. It's great to see. As you guys could tell before I ever pull up the chart, Kaspa has been crushing it, and guess what, it has been continuously crushing it. If you got in when I started to cover it on the channel, it's pretty much close to 2x on your investment. If you got in around that 1.53 cent range, it's just around a 2x now, guys. So that is absolutely amazing. Caspians, and man, you guys are beasts. Kaspa is a beast of a project, super powered project, guys. Like it just blows me away. Before we get into it, please remember, I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before you invest in any project in the crypto space, because it is very risky and very volatile. Never invest more than you're willing to lose in any project, guys. Also, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell if you enjoy the videos. If you want to support the channel, make this channel and these videos go viral. Get this Kaspa video to 10,000 views. Let's do it. As we can see right now, man, this project is on steroids. This project is the unicorn of this cycle. I see no other altcoin performing the way Kaspa is. Like zero other altcoins, guys. Right now it's at that 2 cent mark. Like I said, if you were getting in around the same time I started to cover it, it was not here around some days, like right around some days around, like on the the 4th to the 5th to the 7th, some range around this 153 156 range, right, in cents, right? So right now you'd be up around 2x on Kaspa, close to a 2x just about. And guys, that is absolutely insane. A 2x in like what, a couple weeks, or a week, 2 weeks, that's great, man. That's absolutely amazing, guys. So I'm telling you not to fade this project. Obviously it's on a tier. I would be very careful, right? Don't FOMO. If you see dips, DCA into dips to lower your average, guys. Again, this is not financial advice, but this project is gonna be a monster, man. I'm calling for $1 Kaspa, and the Caspians are telling me $1 is FUD. So most of them are saying we're gonna see $3 to $5, right? I'm definitely calling, like, I really do believe that $1 is locked in, right? Anything beyond that, hey, I'm not gonna be upset or mad at that, right? But $1 for sure. $20 billion in market cap, I wouldn't rule it out for a monster of a project like this. This project is super powered, guys. 520 million in market cap, 18.9 million in 24-hour trade volume. Price predictions, guys, like I said, I potentially expect Kaspa would get to a $1 to $5 2024 2025, in that time frame, right? We got the Bitcoin halving coming up. We got a ton of bullish news. I also have some news that is extremely bullish for the overall markets, guys, and Kaspa will just get more fuel to the fire. So it started breaking out before we got the BlackRock news and all that other news that we're getting with the banks like Fidelity, Citadel, Charles Schwab setting up their Bitcoin exchange. Banks that are a ton of companies applying for spot Bitcoin ETFs, $1 trillion companies applying for spot Bitcoin ETFs, not just BlackRock. So it's all like a perfect storm, and Kaspa was already bullish without the news, right? It was just doing its own thing, being bullish, and now it's gonna have extra fuel to the fire because the overall markets are breaking out as well. Bitcoin back above 30k, Ethereum at $1,887, Cas right now at that 2.7 cent mark. It's almost at 3 cents. Like I said, guys, even if you could just get 10,000 Kaspa, that'd be a very nice buy. $300 for 10k, that'd be, hey, look, you get a 100x on $300. Would you be mad at that? I wouldn't be mad at a 100x on $300, you know, or $500 worth of Kaspa, 18k Kaspa, right? I wouldn't be mad at a 100x on $500, because a 100x from here is like 52 billion, 52 billion dollars in market cap. If people are saying Kaspa is gonna go to $2-3, that's gonna put it in that $2 to $3 range. 20 billion dollars in market cap is $1, so 60 billion is $3. So that would be 100x from here, right? And I really think that's gonna be possible going into 2025 for Kaspa, guys. Absolutely insane project. It looks like it's gonna just keep crushing it and melt up all the way to 14 cent. We have some news from the official Kaspa Twitter. My apologies, stumbling on my words. Kaspa is integrated with CoinPal.io, a crypto solution for e-commerce and opening up new opportunities for merchants and users. Kaspa is transforming business with faster transactions, scalability, and lower fees. Catch the wave. Bunch of likes and retweets, 24,000 views on this tweet. This was 6 hours ago. Absolutely insane, guys. So right now Kaspa is integrated with CoinPal, making it more accessible. We also saw in a live stream a restaurant that accepts Kaspa, and you know, I was moving some funds from TXBit, which is an exchange, one of the first exchanges that had Kaspa, and I was using Kaspa to do it, and it's so fast. It's like using it myself just makes me even more bullish. It's so fast, guys. It's extremely fast. So I'm telling you, don't fade this one, man. Dark Knight, cash pumping after a month of breakdown and consolidation. Every project has its own cycles, and cash just had its. With Bitcoin moving this rapidly, we should see some higher highs soon on Kaspa. That was at 25 cents. Now it's not 25, 25 cent. Now it's at 2.7. Jim Ski Bum, Cass knows no chill for good reason. Decentralized and fear launch, instant transactions. It's so fast. Founders were excited by 3 top projects: ETH, ADA, and XRP. Smart contracts coming. Kaspa could support crypto's first decentralized stablecoin. So 15 cents, you know, that would be a 10x from when I started covering the project, guys. That would be freaking amazing. And the way, the looks of things, it's gonna happen. You just got a diamond hand and just hold on, man, because you know, just get your bag, put it in your wallet, forget about it, and check back, man. That's really what you got to do with this one, man. Really. Keeks, very close conservative call for Cass, and Moonshot Josh also agrees, right? What's your legitimate guess for Cass all-time high this coming bull run from Squash? And then we have Kaspa get into the market cap of Bitcoin Cash. And in obviously, my opinion, Kaspa is better than Bitcoin Cash, way better than Bitcoin Cash. So that would put it at a 128x. Like I said, you got $300 to $500, $2,700 for the 100k Kaspa. Hard to afford now. You got $300 to $500. You get a 128x on that. $3.31 for Kaspa. 128x. That's $38,000. Would I be mad at that? I would not. You got $500. That's the most you could afford. 64x, 64k, $64,000. I wouldn't be mad at that. That's a 128x. And obviously, if you have $1,000, that's gonna be $128,000 for Kaspa. Most of the people in Kaspa are calling for $3, man. $2 to $3. That's what they're calling for. I was gonna be happy with the $1 mark, but if it really does go to those levels, I'll eat my words. I'll be like, whoa, okay, yeah, I was right, I was wrong, right? So if $1 is FUD, I'm not gonna be mad, guys. So yeah, man. Moonshot Josh, for example, he been covering Kaz and has a lot of very interesting information, discovering a lot of information about Kaz and how it how these top projects like Cardano, XRP were using the Kaspa technology in the early days, right? A lot of their protocols, how they were developed, took some of Kaspa's technology, right? So if Moonshot Josh is calling for these targets, I wouldn't rule it out, guys. I really wouldn't. And finally, great news for the overall markets. Breaking Bitcoin. China may unban Bitcoin and crypto this year, experts say, right? China unbanning Bitcoin and crypto, y'all already know how bullish the market is gonna get. That is gonna be billions of people getting into the markets. That is going to be billions of people getting into the markets. 1.4 billion people in China. Even if it's just, you know, 10% of those people that get into the space, imagine the liftoff we'll see on projects. And again, obviously we're gonna see more liftoff on Kaspa. It's just gonna be more fuel to the fire. Kaspa is a rocket ship that already took off with a ton of fuel, and it's like an astronaut just, you know, while it's taking off, another astronaut like pulls up anytime it has like a little retrace pit stop, pulls up on it and instantly fuels it back up again to go, right? That's what the chart is doing, man. So hey guys, don't fade this one. I'm telling you, this is the unicorn for the cycle, in my opinion. We'll look back and see if I was wrong. You know, you could call me out, obviously, but if I'm right, you're gonna make some gains here, man. But yeah guys, thank you guys so much for tuning in, Caspians. I really appreciate the support. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything about the project and myself will be in the description. Also, become a Patreon. Link to that is in the description. First link in the description is my Patreon. I personally recommend my crypto elite tier. Oh, we got things popping up, hold on. Personally recommend my crypto elite tier, where you get access to my buy alerts right here, buy alerts, sell alerts, and access to my private Discord. Anytime I buy a project, I let you guys know, hey, this could give you some X's. When I sell, I let you guys know. You flip that, you buy also, you like, you know, you want to buy more Kaspa with those gains. Hey, that's the plan, right? Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Once again, like, comment, subscribe, get this video that you're watching right now and my previous Kaspa videos, blow them up, make them go viral, and I'll catch you in the next one.